My name is Jeremy Morrison. I am a continuous improvement expert at Worthington. My job title is Transformation Analyst. At Worthington, we make pressurized cylinders. You might know some of our products like the Coleman grill tanks, the Burns-O-Matic torches. At my plant, we make 20-pound grill cylinders. So every 20-pound cylinder you have underneath your grill, we're the only manufacturers in the United States left. But all of our enterprise cylinder facilities are fully rolled out. I was a part of the first rollout at the Westerville plant, and we've now been using L2L for about 5 years. L2L has changed the way we do everything at our facility, from the quality, maintenance, training, continuous improvement, problem solving. It has touched every part of what we do. In my area, we are very focused on continuous improvement, problem solving. So we've been able to use L2L with tracking skills and training our employees to problem solve, to recognize identification of waste, and use the tools we have on the floor and take those tools to solve our problems faster. We're tracking all of our quality samples, scrap rework, standardized processes across and then to justify through ROI what we need help with from upper management going forward.